Hi friends, welcome to Roller Top DT channel, and this time I'll play Magic Strategy. Yes, Magic Strategy. Cause I covered at first low numbers 1 to 18, and here every numbers and I have win. And after I keep straight bettings, and here most of numbers I have win, and here big amount I have win. So I choose $10. At first I covered 0. Now 34 to 36 10, 31 to 33 10, 22 30 20, 25 to 27, 30, 40, 19 to 21, 50. Now direct 200. I keep low numbers, and if I win any numbers 1 to 18, I win 200 plus 200, total 400, and I have profit. And if I win this state, every state, uh, any state numbers I win 19 to 21, I win 600, and here 22 to 24, if I win, here I keep $40, here I win 480, and here also I have profit. Now 25 to 27, if I win, here I win 360, here I have minus 10, I have lost minus 10, and here these 3 and this 3, if I win, I keep $10, and here I win 120. So these 6 numbers I have most risky. Other all of numbers 1 2 3, I have profit, and here I have $10 loss, minus 10. Okay, so I will try to make some profit on this strategy, and please watch properly and enjoy full video. Let's start. Okay, first spin. And winning number 9, and I win 400. My betting 370, and I have profit 30. Rebet. Spin. Winning number 1, and again I have win 400, and again I have profit 30. And rebet number 0, I keep $10. If I win number 0 and I have lost $10, I win 360, but my betting 370. Okay, spin. And winning number 13, again I win 400, and again my profit $30. Rebet. Spin. Winning number 22, and I win 480, and here I have profit $110. Cause winning number 22 I covered by 40, so this time I win 480. Okay, rebet. Spin. Now winning number 33, and I have lost 250. This time I have lost 250. Rebet. Now 200, more 201. Low numbers 1 to 18. Now 10 0, and the last winning number 33. I keep 10, and here I keep 10 10 10 10. Okay, spin. 22. I win 600 cause this time I keep more $10 on 22. Before I keep 40, now I keep 50. Okay, more 100 on first 18. Spin. Winning number 10, and I have win 1000, and I covered my losses. 200 on low numbers, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10. Again I keep 370 and spin. Winning number 30, and this time I have lost. I win 240 and I have lost 130. Okay, rebate now 150 on low numbers 1 to 18, and last winning number 30. I keep 10, 10, 10, 10. Before I keep 50, now I keep 60. Before I keep 40, now I keep 50. 30 before I keep, now I keep 40. Okay, spin. Winning number 22, and I win 600, and this time I profit $40. Rebate one more time. Now I covered 0 by 20. Before I keep 10, now I keep 20. Okay, spin. Number 13, and I win 700, and this time I make profit 130. Okay, again 1, 2, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10 on 0, 270. Spin. Winning number 11, and I win 400, and this time I have profit $30. Rebate. Spin. $26, and this time I have lost $10. My betting 370, and I win 360. Okay, no problem. Rebate. Same betting, same amount, same place. Now winning number 2, and I win 400, and this time I have profit $30. Okay, rebate. Spin. Number 14, again I win 400, and now also I have profit 30. Rebate. Spin. Winning number 21, and I win 600, and this time my profit 230. Okay, rebate again. Spin. Number 20, and again I win 600, and again my profit 230. Rebate. Spin. 35 winning number. This time I have lost 250. Okay, rebate now, more 200 on low numbers. Last winning number 20, 35. I keep $10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Before I keep 50, now keep 60. Before 40, now 50. 30 before, now 40. Before 20, now 30. Okay. 0, more $10. Spin. Number 1, and I win 800, and I covered some losses. Okay, now 100, 200, 50, 10, sorry, clear bet 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10 on 0, 200. Okay, again I keep 370. Spin. Number 28, and this time I have lost 130. Rebate now, more 150 on low numbers, and last winning numbers 28. Okay, I keep 10, 10 every place, and 0 also, more $10. Spin. $28 again. So this time also I have lost. This time I have lost, big loss, 230. Rebate now 150. Last winning number 28 again. 50, 60, 70, 70, 60, 50. Here I keep more, $10. Spin. Number 2, and I have win 1000, and here I have lost 1 time, 2 time. Before I lost 35, and total I lost 3 time. 3 time 26. I also have lost 26. So at this time I make 540. 40. If I play again, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 200. Okay, spin. Number 12, and this time I profit $30. Rebate. Spin. Number 10 again, 400, and again my profit $30. Rebate. Spin. Winning number 4, and again I win 400, and again my profit 30. Rebate. Spin. And winning number 6. This time also I have profit 400, and I win 400, and again my profit 30. Rebate. spin. Number 2. So already I make 690. But I suggest you, if you win these 3 numbers or these 3 numbers, okay, then you have most profit, and stop your gaming. And I hope you also can make profit, but you thinking first, playing before, and practice more. If you think this strategy well, okay, you accept, otherwise don't accept. So please drop a like on this video and subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe, and goodbye.